Hey everyone, Joffrey here. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into the latest mid-range marvel from Motorola, the Moto G75 5G. It's here to deliver a blend of style, power, and affordability. From its sleek design to its capable performance, let's explore why this device deserves your attention. But before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest tech reviews. Let's get started. Starting with the design and build quality, the Moto G75 boasts a modern aesthetics that balance elegance with practicality. Its flat, soft vegan leather back panel not only looks premium, but also resists fingerprints, ensuring it stays spotless. Weighing just 205 grams and measuring 8.3mm thick, the device feels comfortable in the hand and easy to use. Built to endure, it features military-grade durability, STD810H, and an IP68 rating for dust and water resistant, making it tough against everyday challenges. The Corning Gorilla Glass 5 display adds drop protection, perfect for a busy lifestyle. Available in sophisticated black, green, and blue finishes, the Moto G75 is both stylish and durable. Next, let's talk about the display. A standout features of the Moto G75. It boasts a stunning 6.8-inch Full HD Plus POLED panel, delivering vivid visuals and exceptional color accuracy and deep through blacks. The 120Hz refresh rate ensures an ultra-smooth experience, whether you're scrolling through social media apps, browsing the web, or engaging in intense gaming sessions. With a peak brightness of 1000 nits, the screen remains vibrant and easy to view even under bright sunlight, making it perfect for outdoor use. The expansive size and razor-sharp resolution make it ideal for binge-watching your favorite shows, providing an immersive cinematic experience right in the palm of your hand. Now under the hood, the Moto G75 is powered by the groundbreaking Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 processor, delivering a new level of efficiency and performance. Whether you're leveling up in the games, capturing sharp photos, or leveraging advanced AI features, this chipset ensures a smooth and responsive experience. Combined with super-fast 5G connectivity and support for the latest Wi-Fi 6 and 6E standards, the Moto G75 is built to handle modern demands with ease. With 8GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage, multitasking is effortless, and you'll have an ample space for apps, media, and games. Gamers will especially appreciate its stable frame rates and fluid gameplay in popular titles like Mobile Legends and PUBG, ensuring a lag-free experience. On the software front, Motorola's clean, near-stock Android 14 interface offers a clutter-free and intuitive experience, enhanced by Moto Actions for intuitive gestures and Moto Display for quick information at a glance. The Moto G75 provides both power and practicality in your daily life. Next, let's dive into the camera department, where the Moto G75 impresses with its versatile dual camera system. At the forefront is a 50-megapixel primary sensor equipped with optical image stabilization, ensuring sharp, detailed, and vibrant photos in all lighting conditions. Whether you're shooting in the bright daylight or capturing moments in low light, this sensor delivers exceptional clarity by minimizing motion blur and enhancing image stability. Adding to the versatility is the 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens, which allows you to expand your perspective and unleash your creativity. Perfect for group shots, expansive landscape, or dramatic angles, this lens ensures that every scene is captured with impressive detail and minimal distortion. On the front, the 16-megapixel selfie camera is a standout, producing crisp and vibrant images with natural skin tones, making it perfect for selfies, video calls, and social media updates. Content creators will appreciate that both the rear and front cameras supports 4K video recording at 30 frames per second, ensuring high-quality video for vlogging, streaming, or cinematic storytelling. This phone is equipped with a 5000 mAh battery. The G75 easily lasts a full day of heavy use, whether you're gaming, streaming, or attending online meetings. And when you need to charge, the 30 watts turbo power fast charging gets you back to 50% in under 30 minutes, which is great on this price range. In terms of connectivity and features, this device is 5G ready. The Moto G75 offers blazing fast internet speed for streaming and downloading. Dual stereo speaker with Dolby Atmos provide an immersive audio experience, making your music and movies sound rich and detailed. With NFC supports, mobile payments are a breeze. And lastly, this device supports eSIM, which is a great option for user on the go. Now let's talk the price and my final thoughts. This device is competitively priced at 799 dirhams here in Dubai. The Moto G75 5G offers an impressive combination of features: a stunning AMOLED display, reliable performance, excellent cameras, and all-day battery life. It's a value-packed device that appeals to users seeking premium features in the mid-range category. So, should you buy it? If you're after a sleek and capable smartphone that excels in essentials without breaking the bank, the Moto G75 5G is a strong contender. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you like this review, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more exciting tech reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.